In this video I'm just going to show you how to solve a couple of linear inequalities that involve multiple steps. We'll start right here. Negative 4x minus 8 is less than or equal to 14. So I want to isolate the variable. I want to get x by itself, and just like in an equation, I first need to add 8 to both sides. I wouldn't divide by 4 first. I know sometimes that's the step that you want to take. If you do divide by 4, you have to remember to divide everything by 4, and usually students tend to forget that part. They forget to divide it into everything. So the best bet is to add 8 to both sides, and then you won't have to worry about that extra little piece if you were to multiply first. Alright, so now we've got negative 4 times x is less than or equal to 22. And if I want to get x by itself, I have to get rid of this 4 somehow, and the way I'll do that is by dividing by negative 4 on both sides. Now this is something that we have to remember when we're dividing by a negative. In an inequality, we have to flip the inequality symbol, and I posted a video explaining why we flip the video, so if you're looking for that part or that information, please check out one of my other videos on why you flip the inequality. Alright, so x is greater than or equal to 22 over 4, so that is negative 5.5. Alright, now oftentimes you're asked to graph it, so we'll just do that really quickly as well. So x is greater than or equal to negative 5.5. Since it's greater than or equal to, I'm going to fill in the circle to indicate that this point on the graph is a valid solution. And then we're going to shade all the points that are larger than 5.5, and that is to the right. The second example involves a little bit of distributing first. So I've got 2 times the quantity of x plus 7 is less than 12. So the first thing I would do here, well actually there's really 2 very good ways to go about solving this. One would be to distribute. I'm going to just rewrite the problem here and show you another one as well when I'm done. Alright, so now that I've distributed, I've got a problem that looks pretty similar to this, and so I'll go about it in the same way. I'm going to first subtract 14 from both sides. Now I'm going to next divide by 2. 2 times something is less than negative 2. Divide both sides by 2 to get the x by itself. And it's not every time you divide. It's only when you divide or multiply by a negative number that you flip the sign or flip the inequality symbol. We don't do that here. So x is less than negative 1. Oop, that's a mistake. It does not say less than or equal to, so I shouldn't shade that. Keep it as an open circle. And shade everything smaller or to the left of negative 1. Alright, I said I was going to show it a second way. Distributing is a good choice, but we actually, since it's 2 times the whole quantity, we can divide first in this case, and it is dividing both sides completely. And we have the same inequality as a result. Alright, so that's just a couple of examples of solving a linear inequality that involves multiple steps. Remember, when you are dividing by a negative, we do need to change the inequality symbol. That's one of the things that sometimes gets forgotten. If you're looking for the why on that, there is another video that I've posted that goes in a little bit more detail on that. Alright, hope that's helpful.